guys, so today I went to Edinburgh Zoo with my class, the other 6A, or the other 6 class, and it was so much fun. I had the best ever day, and basically, you guys are probably thinking, did you buy fidgets? Yeah, I bought one because there was only 2 fidgets in the place, and I already have the other one because my friend gave it to me, so I bought the other one, which I think was going to be super cute. Now, just clarifying, this is £5 for the stress ball, okay? So, £5, quite a lot of money for a stress ball. I could go to Smith and get a huge Crucial stress ball for £5, including this thing. So, guys, like this video if you like fidgets, and also like this video if you like stress balls, because they're my favorite fidgets. Okay, so we're going to start off with the stress ball, and remember, this is £5, and I don't care what you guys say, it's absolutely everybody's opinion on these fidgets, and like they're not my fidgets, so like, well, they're my fidgets now, but like people buy them, so you know, I want to see their opinions. So my friend bought a tiger one of these, and first I'm going to say it is a stress ball. So my friend bought a tiger stress ball, but unluckily there wasn't any tiger stress balls, because the tigers are my second favorite animal, and the teddies there were way too expensive for me to buy. I had £15, I had to get something for my sister, and I wanted to get something else as well. There was like these really cute portraits I got, but I'll show you that in another video. But it was all about the fidgets, so they were in the fidgets. So this was £5 a stress ball, and I want to show you it, so I think you guys can see a sneak peek. And my sister or somebody has a penguin one of these, and they're really cute, but I think this animal's so much cuter, especially with the face already. So guys, I'm going to give you A, B, and C. You guys have to guess. If you get it right, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, so basically, first, A, giraffe, B, monkey, and C, lion. Those are your 3 options. So A, giraffe, B, monkey, and C, what was it again? Lion. So A, giraffe, B, monkey, and C, lion. And I think my friends will know this. I thought this was a bear, but one of my other classmates told me it was B. It was monkey. This is a monkey, guys. So I'm going to show you because I think you're just waiting to see it. So this is the stress ball. It's really nice. Like, really nice. And I really like it. But, like, look. It's really good. And it's brown. Now, the quality is really good on the stress ball, but I really don't think it was worth £5. Because, comment, like this video if you agree with me. Like this video if you disagree and you think this is a perfect quality for £5. Or if you agree with me, and make sure to subscribe, because I have no comments. So annoying. If I wish I had comments. But anyway, like if you disagree with me and you think this is the best quality for £5, or if you agree with me, this could be better for £5. First of all, the paint is actually staying on very well. The only thing I would say is when I took this out of the packaging, I took it out and it was really like flowery, like super duper flowery. And because my friends and me have been playing with it quite a lot, like the floweriness is gone, but like not that much. Like there's definitely still flower. Like if you washed it, the flower would fall off and it would be sticky. But I prefer it like that. It's absolutely fine. But like there was a lot of flour, and in the packaging it was really nice. So I do like it. Okay. Out of 10, I would probably rate this stress ball 8. I think the quality of the stress ball could be better. Like the seams, as you can see, there's a little like whole bit of like white stuff, which reminds me of the shaving cream, and it could have been glued better. So that's one quality thing. Now I'll definitely give updates if this like comes off. So just let me know. So hopefully guys enjoy this video. Just before you guys go, it would be amazing if you like, subscribe, and turn notifications. In just 5 seconds with your pinky. Okay, ready guys? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hopefully guys liked and subscribed, and again it would be amazing if you like, subscribe, and turn notifications, so whenever I post you guys will get a notification and it will be on your page. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Bye.